How to change the default SMS app on Android. If you have more than one messaging app installed on your phone, you can easily choose which one your phone uses for text messages. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, scroll down and tap Apps. Now tap Default Apps. Here, select SMS app. You'll now see all the messaging apps installed on your phone, such as Samsung Messages or Google Messages. In my case, I only have Samsung Messages installed, so that's the only option you'll see on the screen. Simply tap the messaging app you want to use as your default SMS app. Once selected, your Android will automatically use that app to send and receive text messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default SMS app on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.